Hi, my name is Arif Akil. I'm the co-founder and coach of the Finishers Club. In this video, I'm going to share with you how the Finishers Club is an invaluable tool to help you stay focused on the most meaningful and the most important task to you week after week. Now, if your day is anything like mine, you are constantly bombarded with emails, phone calls, interruptions from office colleagues. As a result, you spend the day meeting after meeting or one task after the next, and before you know it, the day is over. When you look back at such a day, in spite of being busy, in spite of working so hard, you feel empty inside. It's as if you've got nothing done. Of course, the time lost is bad enough, but on top of that, you end up talking to yourself negatively as well. And then you're filled with feelings of guilt, regret, frustration, and a whole bunch of all these other nasty feelings. Your time is valuable. You've got a department, a division, a company, maybe several companies to run. You've got to ensure that you stay focused on the highest leverage tasks. After all, the pace that you operate with is the pace that your team or your department, division, or company will operate on. So now, how do you ensure that you stay focused on the highest leverage task, the most important, the most meaningful task that you can? Well, I've got a flawless process for it. I've been following this process for the last 2 years and the results have been transformational. I've got myself a coach, an accountability coach. Every week, I've got a 15-minute or so call scheduled with my coach. So once a week, I show up and my coach will ask me a series of questions. One of those are, Arif, tell me, what are the 3 most important tasks that you can take on this week? Which are those tasks that will give you the highest return at work and in life? And him just asking me that makes me stop, think, reflect. Indeed, which are the 3 most important tasks that I can do this week? Once I identify the tasks, my vision is clear, my target is set, and I know that I'm going to be asked about those same very tasks the upcoming week. Then I ensure that I give my absolute very best in completing those tasks. It takes away all possible reasons to procrastinate, and I prioritize those tasks. After all, they are the most meaningful over everything else. My gut, my spirit, my intuition, my subconscious, all of it is in play to ensure that I move forward and get those done. I check those off. I don't know what psychology is in play here, but damn, it works. This process ensures that 1, I have clarity on what are the most important, what are the most meaningful tasks to me. Secondly, the positive pressure of accountability ensures and gives me the courage, gives me the confidence to say no to the less important, to the less meaningful tasks. Maybe things that I either thought up of or meetings that come my way that I can say no to. As a result, what happens? Stuff gets done. Not just any stuff, but the most important, the highest leverage stuff gets done. I develop my focus muscle. I'm able to focus on longer periods of time. Number 3, I feel good about myself for keeping up the commitments that I said I would. And finally, as a result, I'm challenged to take up more difficult tasks, more challenging tasks, something beyond my comfort zone because I've already achieved these which were within my comfort zone. I mean, the process is just phenomenal. And if you find yourself procrastinating on tasks, if you find yourself doing mundane tasks day after day, week after week, please don't wait any longer. Get yourself an accountability coach. You can get one from the Finishers Club. So if this interests you, log on to thefinishers.club and get details on how you can get your very own personal accountability coach. I hope this video has been useful. Till next time, take care. Goodbye.